Alright guys, all these kits, this is a real one. 427 SC, one of 29 built. Coil spring suspension instead of the mono leaf like the 289s had. Original 427 FE engine. It's exactly how it was when it was built. He races this $4 million. Independent rear suspension. That's one giveaway for an original. 40-gallon gas tank.
I'm asking, does he have any?
So what do you race?
Hey, Bill, do you remember where the little line off the top here goes? Does that just go to underneath the car? This one?
Yeah.
It just drains out the bottom?
Right. But you know what? It never leaves any powders anywhere.
Well, no, and that's my thing is I need to find one. The only guy that I found that make it was a guy called Acme.
It's crazy they can make aluminum look so smooth. It's easy with fiberglass. Look at that, all aluminum. Original 427 SC. There's the VIN number, so you can tell that it's original. You'll also notice the roll bar hoop goes all the way down to the floor. Like that, they got this little box here. That's a giveaway. One really big thing is the independent suspension. Now they make kits with independent suspension, but they don't look like that. 40-gallon gas tank. Other than that, you really can't tell too much between the original and some of these kits over here. They got two 6-volt batteries right there instead of one 12-volt battery. But they do add that detail to some of the kits. 1965. So the 427s will have independent coil spring suspension in the front, and the 289s will have mono leaf like a Corvette or whatever. But the originals also will have this tube frame here, big 4-inch tubes for the frame. And some of the kits have that. Trying to think of what else. I'm not a Shelby expert, so not 100% sure. Those little tubes coming down there, those are either on original or a Superformance. You can see a Superformance. It looks a little bit different. But yeah, this is a Superformance, and you can't really tell too much of a difference. See, it didn't have the battery box behind there. The roll bar goes down pretty far, not quite to the ground. Radiator's just a little bit different. Frame's a little bit different.